we are going to take a look at two narrating options, Microsoft PowerPoint and Screencast-O-Matic. Both of these are great options and have some different capabilities depending on your need. No matter what application you are using, it is always important to make sure that you have your microphone set up and working. Depending on the quality you are looking for, you can either use the built-in mic that comes with your computer or an external mic, which is typically going to improve the quality of your sound. Microsoft PowerPoint has a narration feature built into the software that is pretty easy to use. You are able to record the entire presentation at once by advancing through slides, or you can simply record one slide at a time. This can be really beneficial when you need to only make an adjustment to one slide. You will not need to re-record the entire presentation. The steps to creating a narrated PowerPoint are: first, create the slides. Once you have finished each slide for the presentation, you can then begin recording. Using Microsoft PowerPoint, you have the option to record your entire presentation by advancing the slides, or you can record each slide individually, stopping after each one. You can find a link in Moodle that will take you to Microsoft's tutorials on how to create a narrated PowerPoint. Screencast-O-Matic is a screen recording tool. This tool is great for sharing your screen and providing tutorials, but is also a great option for narrating PowerPoints. Screencast-O-Matic has a free version and a paid version. The paid version is going to have a lot more capabilities and options, but the free version is a great tool in itself. Using this tool, you are able to record your screen, record yourself, or record both at the same time. Let's look at the Screencast-O-Matic. When you launch Screencast-O-Matic, you'll notice you get this dotted box in the middle. This shows where your screen is being recorded. In this case, I want the full screen, so I'm going to drag the arrows in the corners so that I can get the full screen. Once I've done that, I have the option to either record the screen, record just through the webcam, or record both. This will allow you to have a webcam box up in the corner or in the bottom corner. In this case, we're just going to record using the screen. When I'm ready to record, I'm going to want to make sure that I'm in full screen in the presentation view of my slides. So I go to the slideshow tab, click play from beginning, and here now I have my slideshow. When I'm ready to start recording, I just hit the record button. It will give me a 3, 2, 1, go. And notice here in the corner you have the ticker. Make sure that that gets to 1 before you start talking, otherwise the beginning could get cut off. As you start recording your slides, you can go ahead and just advance your slides using your keyboard or your mouse. And if you notice that it just advances right to the next slide and the audio stays the same. So you're only recording one file of audio for the entire presentation. Once you advance, and if you want to stop or pause, you are able to pause, regain whatever you need, and then start recording again. However, if you need to go back, you can only go back to the last spot that you paused. If you don't keep track of where exactly that was, it could get a little confusing at times, so it's not super friendly in that area. Once you want to start recording again, you just hit record, and it starts where you left off. Again, wait till it starts ticking before talking. If you're done and you're happy with your audio, you can hit pause, and you can hit done if you're happy with the audio. If you want to start completely over, you can hit the trash can and you have the option of starting over. In this case, I'm going to say that I'm done, and I have a choice to save and upload it or edit it. In this case, I'm just going to save and upload. And then it's going to ask me what I want to do with the file. You can either save it as a video file, you can upload it to Screencast-O-Matic, or you can upload it to YouTube. I recommend either saving it as a video file or uploading it to YouTube, depending on how you want to use the file. In this case, I will just hit save as audio. Then I'm going to need to choose a folder. In this case, I always recommend using the desktop as it's easy to find, and then you can store it where you'd like it after. When you're done, you can hit publish, and it will create the video file for you. No matter what tool you prefer, both are great options and can provide you with what you need to narrate your presentation. I encourage you to explore them both, play around a bit, and test out their capabilities.